Alloygator is rim protection, which is built in the UK. We brought the brand in and introduced the concept of wheel protection across North America. My name's Patrick Fletch, Director of Business Development, and I'm also a part owner. We're in the automotive industry and specifically automotive accessories. Our customers would be anybody that drives a car and anybody that's installing car accessories. We have a warehouse in Richmond, BC. That's our main one in Canada. And we have a small warehouse in Toronto, in Markham. Our main warehouse in the United States is in Tennessee. We're a very small company. Started out, my role was everything. I would train, be involved with marketing discussions. I would be involved with systems, invoicing. I did everything. Inventory management is very cumbersome. It is very robust for our sales reps to utilize. There was no mobile portion to it, so it was challenging. And bringing on a new system can be very costly. When we went to look for a new inventory and a new books, when my partner was doing the research, Zoho had a very good reputation with inventory, and that's how we came on to Zoho. Zoho Inventory met all our requirements. When you bring on new team members and they start working with the systems, the training to get them up to speed on how to use for business is very easily done. And it's not time consuming. The overall inventory management is done by myself and our accountant. And it's fairly transparent across the board to anybody who's working with it. So if they want to order product, they can see what's in inventory when they're producing an invoice through books because of the way that inventory ties in.
Zoho Inventory allows me to remotely or on my app to check all my inventory levels. If I need to know exactly how many particular product I have in each of my warehouses, that'll allow me to commit to the customer. This again, it builds a confidence level in the customer and the salesperson, knowing that I'm committed to getting them their product as quickly as possible.
The other part to that is our warehouses have some automation built in. When the order is placed, automatically the order goes to our warehouse.
The warehouse will receive that electronically and it will eliminate whatever quantities I've input live. So I constantly have live inventory that I have access to.
Once they fulfilled the order, the tracking number comes back into Zoho and it's automatically sent to the customer at the same time. From a customer experience perspective, they want to see a tracking number and they want to see invoicing right away, and they would like to pay it right away, which is better for both us as a company. Being a small business, cash flow is very important, and they have all that information. It's fresh in their mind and they can deal with it appropriately, and they don't have to go looking for things. One of the functionalities that I really like about Zoho Inventory is being able to take an overlook view of where all of my product is across the board. It's also very quickly will show me if I have problems when I'm doing month end, if there are things not closed. The reporting side of it, I really like. It's very out of the box. Reports that are in there are exactly what you need. Reports that you don't have, when you contact inventory support, they work with you and they'll either get one built or they'll tell you they already have one in the works.
On a daily basis, when I go see a customer, it's hard to retain all the information. Being in sales, you're always on the road and you don't always have the convenience of having a laptop with a router. But having a mobile app, it allows me to process the order. Every time I show up to the customer, I look at, in case they have any orders in transit, I can tell them that they're in transit, when they're going to be there. Their last order was shipped such and such a date, in case they're not aware of it. I like to confirm to the customer that we've owned up to our part of the business. We got them the product to them efficiently, quickly, and they will be invoiced all simply and effectively to help their business.